Welcome to the IPEP tutorial for e-commerce marketplaces. We'll quickly explain to you the main features and functionalities in IPEP for the e-commerce marketplaces. When you log into IPEP, you will first get to our dashboard or homepage. Here you have an overview of the current functionalities available for e-commerce marketplaces in IPEP, the global search and the communications with rights holders. The global search you can either access through the widget, or you can click on global search and go to global search. The global search is a keyword search. So you can look for a company or for a trademark. We can just type in a company name. It's a plain keyword search, and then you will get results in the different fields of IPEP. IPEP does a search both in IPEP database, but also on our trademark design and geographical indications databases, plus it shows also any other IP rights that the right holder might have uploaded. So in this instance, we can go and see companies. You will have the information on the companies or trademarks and wherever there is hits. When you click on the company name, you will see it's a link to the company. When you click on it, you will access the company information. In order to access this, you need to enter first the PIN safe. In this case, the PIN safe you have to enter the corresponding letters to the PIN safe code that you may have in capital locks, and then you can access the company information. This is only one time. Once you've done it for one search result, you don't have to enter it again. It goes per session. So what you will see in the company information is the company details of the companies to see what company you're looking at. And if the right holder decided to share a contact point with your marketplace, then you will see the contact point. You will have the contact point information. And you will see for which countries this contact point has been appointed, what countries these contact point covers. The right holder may also have shared some additional documentation with you in the document portfolio. Most likely it will be a power of attorney. And if needed, they can even attach some translation of the document. So this is information you will see from the rights holder. And this allows you also, the moment there's a contact point, you will be also able to send a one-way communication to the right holder. The one-way communication is thought to be used if the right holder wants to subscribe to your IP protection services. You might want to send him a verification code or some other information that they need to subscribe to your IP services. And you will find here that you can select the rights holders. In this case, it's the UIPO2. And the moment that there's a contact point available, you can select the contact point, maybe more than one, and then you can send your communication. It can be a normal communication, or it can be a verification code you may want to send. You can send whatever comments you want, and you can give the communication a subject. So when he receives the notification email, they know what this is about, and you can always attach a document to the message. Should the right holder have not shared the contact point with you, what will appear is our email address of the email address of the IPEP team for you to send us an email, and we will try to assist you to see if the right holder will share contact point with your marketplace. So if you really want to get hold of him, you can seek our assistance, the assistance of the IPEP team, to help you out. Okay, and basically you can save the message, or if it's final, you can send it off. And then in the communications rights holders table, you will have all the messages that you have sent to the different rights holders. Yeah, it will be always showing there in the table. You can filter the table per status, per name of the rights holders, per type of communication, or per date. Finally, if you want to get a hold of a right holder, you also have the company repository tab. Here, what you can do is you can filter out the company that you're looking for to again select it, get to the company information, or send a message. So basically, aside from the global search, in the company repository, you have a list of all the companies that have an account in IPEP, and you can go through and filter through the list. And this is all for the time being. More features will be added, but for the time being, this is what is available for e-commerce marketplaces. Thank you.